Let me show you how to remove subject background using Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file. Import your image. Choose the lasso tool from the toolbar and make selection around the subject. Click and select Mask. Choose Refine Edge Brush tool and paint on the edges of the subject. Make sure this is selected, then begin to paint. Support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Click on this icon to bring back an area as it was before. You can copy my settings. Click on the contaminate color. Choose new layer with layer mask and click on OK. Now you can change the background easily to any color of your choice. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.